The world of trading is a very, very big place, especially when you are just getting started. A lot of people come in and they can easily be confused. Well, if you are one of those people, this video is exactly for you. We're going to go through everything you need to get started day trading today, from a technical analysis chart to setting up a demo account on your brokerage. So let's get right into this video. So here we are on our first thing that we need, and that is our technical analysis platform or charting platform. A lot of people prefer to use the broker or execution platform that they are using for both their technical analysis and their order execution, and that is completely fine. If you use, for example, Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, they do have a pretty decent charting platform that you will be able to use, and you can adapt to it should you need to. That being said, I do not recommend utilizing the Thinkorswim charting platform. It is very clunky and not very easy to use. On the other hand, the charting platform that almost every trader is talking about nowadays is indeed TradingView.com. And TradingView.com is an amazing, easy to learn charting platform that anybody can use for free. If you do want to pay for it, you can. They do offer a couple more things that you may not be able to find on Thinkorswim. I personally pay for mine. I think it's worth it. You pay for the annual and then you forget about it. But TradingView is amazing. It's easy to learn and it allows you to get into the technical analysis game right away and be on the same playing field as everybody else. So, to go over a couple of quick things on your chart that you may not be familiar with, we should understand exactly what candles are, right? So when you're thinking about stock trading and you're looking to get into it, you're going to be confused when you look at a chart if you don't know what a chart really represents. And all a chart really represents is price and time. So each of these candles represents one block of time. For example, right now I'm on the 5-minute chart. That means for every single candle that you see on this chart, for example, this one right here, or this one right here, or this one right here, or this one right here, every single one is in 5-minute segments. As you can see, this candle opened at 1300, this candle opened at 1305, this candle opened at 1310, this candle opened at 1315. So you have your price on the right side, right here on your little scroll bar, and you also have the date and time on the bottom on your x-axis. This again shows you the time and the date. So now that you understand time frames, again, each candle represents that time frame. So you have a 5-minute chart like we went into before. You can have a 15-minute chart where each candle represents 15 minutes. You could have a 4-hour chart where every candle represents 4 hours of price data. Or you could even have a daily, a weekly, or a monthly. Whatever time frame you would like, you can have that visualized on your chart. So that is very important to know. All right, now that you understand candlesticks and you understand time and how to view this chart, what you will need to understand is setting up your trading strategy, because that's going to be the next thing you probably do on your charting platform. It's going to be very specific to you, and we have many other TradingView tutorials on this channel. So I highly recommend you go view those TradingView tutorials to get a very well-rounded understanding of how to use TradingView in specifically. But again, we just went over candlesticks. There is much more to candlesticks as to being able to understand what they mean and how each one tells a story. And again, we have videos on those as well on the channel, so please go check those out if you're curious and you're very, very new. All right, the next thing you will need to know after you open up your account and you go start charting is going to be which brokerage to go with. The first thing I'm going to say is try to avoid Robinhood. I know a lot of newer traders like to go on Robinhood because it's very, very easy to understand, and for that, I understand completely. That being said, there are a lot better brokerages that offer you much more benefits and better data, such as Thinkorswim or Webull. I highly recommend Thinkorswim or Webull. Both of them are fantastic platforms. And you will then need to organize and set up your paper trading account on either brokerage that you go with. And again, there's many other brokerages. If you're not in the United States, Interactive Brokers is a great option. But you're going to go onto the platform that your brokerage provides, and you're going to open a paper trading account. This is an account that you can trade with fake money. You do not want to go into the markets right away and start risking your real hard-earned cash. So the best way around that is to go into a paper trading account, learn how to place orders, learn how to read options contracts, learn about the Greeks that you need to understand on options, or again, if you're not trading options, whatever you need to learn for whatever you are trading. Going onto a paper trading account is always the first step because you do not want to lose money to silly mistakes while you are getting started. That is a very easy way to lose money. So avoid that mistake. Go with a good brokerage. And again, those brokerages that I listed before were for stocks. If you're looking at Forex, Awanda is a great brokerage in North America. There's many other great brokerages. Highly recommend going with a regulated broker. But get a paper trading account and practice on that account. We have so many resources on this channel for absolutely free, so be sure to go check those out in regards to how to use TradingView, how to read candlestick patterns, and much, much, much more. Really, for anything that you will need, we probably made a video about it if it's regarding day trading. And the third thing that I'm going to leave you guys with today is getting around a community that can help you. Again, I do not want to sound like the salesman, but you really need to get around a group of like-minded individuals who can help you answering questions and pushing you towards your goals of becoming a consistently profitable trader, or whatever it is you would like to do. That's probably why we're all here, though. So again, get around a group of like-minded people who can help you shorten your learning curve, but also push you to become a better trader every day. That is all that I have for you guys today. I highly recommend going out and checking out TradingView, checking out Thinkorswim, checking out all of the different brokerages. Do your own research. Don't listen to me. I'm some random guy on YouTube. But I am giving you some very good recommendations. I do have a lot of experience in this arena, and I'm sure that I can help save you some time. But again, do your own research. Look into all the different brokerages. Look into different charting platforms. But here, now you understand how to utilize technical analysis on the very bare bones, understanding how to read a chart, and you understand where the tools are and where everything you'll need to find is. You also understand the process that you need to go through, finding your brokerage, going through a paper trading account, and eventually, after a couple months of consistently profitable trading, transferring over to a live account and then beginning to trade with a solid foundation and going to be able to make some real consistent money from that because you implemented the proper habits and proper rule sets. Again, this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you left this video a little bit more educated than when you first clicked on it. And if you did, please like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. We all greatly appreciate it at OBR Investing. And as always, I will see you in the next video.